A business doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. Choose the future. Change starts now. Yes, change is challenging, but it is also the driving force. It is no coincidence that our eActros was recognized for its innovative performance. And what do its owners say?
Ich kann mir nicht mehr vorstellen, lange Strecken mit dem Diesel zu fahren, wenn ich die Möglichkeit hätte, einen eActros zu fahren.
Battery electric trucks are here to stay. And so is your business with a more efficient, sustainable, profitable, and reliable solution. Start now. We are by your side. For your business, the industry, and the planet, we are charged for tomorrow. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.